Hi, today we are going to see 8-point DFT using radix to DIT FFT algorithm. Using our calculator, we can see how to find this DIF FFT. This is vanilla. Compute 8-point DFT of x of n is equal to -1, 1, 2, 1, -1 using radix to DIF FFT algorithm. So here we are supposed to calculate 8-point DFT. So your input should have 8 samples here, but your input have only 5 samples. So 3 samples can be appended as zeros at the end. So your x of n becomes -1, 1, 2, 1, -1, 0, 0, 0. And the number of stages to compute is m. So n is equal to 2 power m. So 8-point can be written as 2 power 3. So we need 3 stages. So here in DIF, the stage 1 is 8-point, stage 2 is 4-point and stage 3 is 2-point. So here the input will be in the normal order. So here your input is going to be A and B. So here this is the general structure for DIF. So here twiddle factor will be at the end here. So here it is going to be A into 1, B into 1. So A plus B. Its pair B is going to be A into minus B. So here at this point it becomes A minus B into twiddle factor. So A plus B, now you find out A minus B and that should be multiplied by the twiddle factor. So draw the structure for DIF. So here stage 1 is going to be your 8-point and twiddle factor should be present at this end. So it's going to be 1.707 minus j 0.707 minus j and this one. Next is going to be your 4-point. So twiddle factor is 1 and minus j. Next is going to be the 2-point. Twiddle factor is going to be 1. Your input will be in the normal order x of 0 to x of 7, but output will be in the bit reverse order as 0, 4, 2, 6, 1, 5, 3, 7. So we are going to take your input as such 1, -1, 1, 2, 1, -1, 0, 0, 0. So here as you know it very well, so this and this point is going to be the pair, this and this point is going to be the pair, this and this point is going to be the pair, and then this and this point is going to be the pair. So here it's going to be -1 and -1. So -1, -1. Its pair is going to be -1 plus 1 into the twiddle factor. Then for the next one, 1 plus 0. So 1 plus 0 is going to be A plus B. So here it's going to be A minus B into twiddle factor. So 1 minus 0 into the twiddle factor. Here it's going to be 2 and 0. So 2 plus 0, your pair is going to be 2 minus 0 into the twiddle factor minus j. Here it is 1 and 0. So 1 plus 0, 1 minus 0 in the twiddle factor. So your output of your stage 1. So this is going to be the stage 1. So stage 1 is going to be -2, 1, 2, 1 and it's going to be -1 plus 1 is going to be 0. Here 1 into the twiddle factor is going to be the same value and 2 into minus j is going to be -2j and then 1 into the twiddle factor is going to be the twiddle factor. Now this will be the input for the stage 2. So in this stage 2, here as such, so this and this is going to be the pair and then this and this is going to be the pair. So -2 plus 2. So it's going to be -2 plus 2 and here it's going to be -2 into the twiddle factor. And the input next is 1 and 1. So 1 plus 1, 1 minus 1 into minus j. Similarly, here it's going to be 0 minus 2j. So 0 minus 2j, 0 plus 2j into the twiddle factor 1 and here this value and this value. So this value into this value, that is this value plus this value. Next is going to be this value minus this value into the twiddle factor. Now we can use your calculator to find the answers here. Here 2 plus 2 is going to be 2 minus 2 plus 2 is going to be 0, 1 plus 2 is going to be 2, then -2 is going to be -4, here 1 minus 1 is going to be 0, Here 0 minus 2j is going to be minus 2j, and for this one put your calculator in complex mode. Then open bracket 0.707 minus j into 0.707 close bracket plus open bracket minus 0.707 minus j into 0.707 close bracket. So the value is going to be minus 1.414j. If you want to check your real part, shift equal to, you will get your 0. So the value is going to be minus 1.414j. Next is 2j into 1 is 2j. Then next is going to be open bracket 0.707 minus j into 0.707 close bracket. Then minus open bracket minus 0.707 minus j into 0.707 close bracket, and this value should be multiplied by minus j. So the value is minus 1.414j. The next one, here this 0 and 2, so 0 plus 2, the pair is 0 minus 2. Minus 4, 0, so minus 4 plus 0, minus 4, minus 0. Here it is minus 2j, and here it is going to be minus j 1.414. So minus 2j minus j 1.43, here it is going to be plus. Then 2j and this value, so 2j minus j 1.414j, here 2j plus j 1.414j. So 2 plus 2, 0 plus 2 is 2, 0 minus 2 is minus 2, minus 4 plus 0 is going to be minus 4, minus 4 minus 0 is minus 4, here it's going to be open bracket minus 2 into j close bracket minus j into 1.414. So the value is going to be minus 3.414j, and here next is going to be minus 2 into j plus j into 1.414. So it's going to be minus 0.586j, and next is going to be 2 into j minus j into 1.414. So it's going to be 0.586j, and the next is going to be 2j plus j 1.414 is going to be j 3.414. Here the value should be rewrite, you have to complete it by writing it in the normal order. Here it is going to be, it's a bit reverse order, write it in the normal order. Thank you guys. Subscribe my channel for more videos. Have a nice day.